Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're here in the Crypto.com DeFi wallet, and here's a tip. Don't do this one mistake, and you should be able to collect interest on your CRO. CRO has been going down a bit. We're down to about 12 cents. I still have the long-term price target of $1. So don't get me wrong. I still like the currency, but let's go look at if you stake this CRO here in the DeFi wallet, what can happen, okay? Now, you guys know I've diversified a bit. I used to have one big account staked with one person or with one entity, right? NebCast CRO has some stuff here, all right? Has a bunch of CRO. And I should probably harvest that. I might do that in a minute. And then I started breaking it down into even smaller chunks of 1,000 and staking 1,000 at a time. Now, why? Okay, now there's various staking organizations, right? Asgard, Galaxy, Nebcast. What the heck, right? We're trying to decentralize the network. Okay, understood. And get good interest rates. But here is why I did this. We go all the way to the bottom. It says, this validator currently being jailed. So, currently, this staked 1,030 CRO is earning exactly 0% interest. And that is what we call bad. Very bad. So, if you average it out amongst everything else, it's not bad because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different validators, and only one of them's down. So definitely taking a hit on the rate, but not as much as if it was all in one validator. So word to the wise, be sure you diversify even within Crypto.com ecosystem. Make sure you don't put all your eggs in one basket, or all your CRO in one basket. Alright, so this won't happen to you. So don't make that mistake of putting everything with one person and then getting 0% for who knows how long they'll be jailed. Hopefully it won't be long, but you can see, not good. Alright. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.